Hello everyone and welcome to Russian for Absolute Beginners with me, Anastasia, and today we're going to talk about possessive pronouns in nominative case. My, his, your, our, and so on. So first we need to learn how to ask a question. Whose thing is it? Whose? In Russian the question word is чей. Чей. Чей means whose. There are four different forms of чей. Чей for masculine nouns, чья feminine, чьё neuter, and чьи plural. Let's look at some examples. The first one. Чей это телефон? Чей это телефон? Whose phone is this? Телефон is a masculine noun, that's why we used чей. Чей это дом? Чей это дом? Whose house is this? Again, masculine noun, чей question word. The second example. Чья это книга? Чья это книга? Whose book is this? Книга is feminine. Чья needs to agree with the noun in the gender. Чья это книга? The second example is чья это сестра? Чья это сестра? Whose sister is this? Чья это сестра? Next one. Чье это окно? Чье это окно? Whose window is this? Окно is a neuter word, so чье should be neuter too. Чье это окно? Чье это вино? Чье это вино? Whose wine is this? And the last example is чьи это деньги? Whose money is this? Чьи это деньги? Деньги is plural in Russian, so чьи is in plural too. And чьи это дети? Чьи это дети? Whose children are these? Чьи это дети? In plural. Дети, чьи. Now we can move to possessive pronouns. The way we answer the question, whose thing is it? Я becomes мой, моя, моё, мои, changing with the gender and the number again. Ты becomes твой, твоя, твоё, твои. They sound pretty similar. Мой, твой, моя, твоя, моё, твоё, мои, твои. And the endings show us which gender this possessive pronoun belongs to. Let's look at some examples. The first one, мой or твой, дом. Дом is masculine, so мой and твой are in masculine form too. Second one, моя, твоя книга. Моя, твоя книга. Книга она, feminine, so моя or твоя книга. Моё, твоё окно, neuter. Моё, твоё окно. Мои, твои деньги. Мои, твои деньги. My or your money. Деньги is plural in Russian, so we used мои and твои possessive pronouns. Now let's move to plurals. Мы and вы, we and you, plural, also sound pretty much the same in Russian, only the first letter changes. Мы becomes наш, наша, наше, наши. Вы becomes ваш, ваша, ваше, ваши. Alright? Pretty much the same. Again, endings show us which gender and number the pronoun belongs to. Let's look at some examples. Наш, ваш, дом. Our house, your house. Дом is masculine, that's why the ending for possessive pronoun is masculine too. Наш, ваш, дом. Наша, ваша, книга. Our book or your book, plural. Наше, ваше, окно. Наше, ваше, окно. Neuter noun, окно, window. Наши, ваши, деньги, наши, ваши, деньги. Деньги is plural, so наши and ваши are in plural form too. Let's move to the next slide. Его, ее, and их don't change. But what is его, ее, and их? Он, he, его, his. And his in Russian doesn't change its form. So it would be его дом or его книга. You see, it doesn't change. The same with она and ее. Ее дом and ее книга. The same ее. Они, их, they and their. Они, их. Их дом, their house. Их книга, their book. It doesn't change like in English. Их. All right, let's look at the examples. Его, ее, их дом. Дом is masculine. Его, ее, их doesn't change. Его, ее, их книга. Книга is feminine. The possessive pronoun stays the same. Его, ее, их окно. Окно is neuter. And the pronouns stayed the same again. So they're really nice that they don't change. Его, ее, их. His, her, and their in Russian don't change. Okay, let's review everything we've learned today. So я becomes мой, моя, моё, мои. Ты, твой, твоя, твоё, твои. Мы, наш, наша, наше, наши. Вы, ваш, ваша, ваше, ваши. Он, его. Она, ее. Они, их. Okay, that's it for today. And if you want to practice possessive pronouns, I will leave a link to another video, the practice video, just below this one. In the box below this video, you will find a link to the practice video. If you like this lesson, please don't forget to press like and, of course, subscribe to my channel. See you on the next lesson. Пока-пока.